Yo, what is going on, traders? I actually just got a new crib recently. As you guys can see, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, and I just moved in, so not everything is fixed. It might be a little messy, but check it out. Okay, so we got the front door, got the living room, got the kitchen. Let's fucking throw on these LED lights. I want you guys to see this real quick. Ooh, I had to hit it with the LEDs real quick. Okay, let's change the color. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Purple looks clean. There's also LEDs that go on the back of the TV. Let's see if we could put them on. I think the TV has to be on, honestly. Yeah, the TV has to be on, so we're just gonna ignore that. Got the grind station right here. Yo, check out the view I got to work to, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but you guys can see that the water is out there. I'm gonna show you guys the room, and then we'll go on the balcony real quick. Got some plants in here, some decor on my bed. You guys can see. Metro, what you doing, bro? Oh, got the closet. Gotta show you all the closet real quick. Totally forgot. We got all the shoes, clothes. You'll see what's going on. Got the money counter right there. Alright guys, this is what you guys have been waiting for. The view. The best part. Just got this patio furniture actually, and it's fucking dope. So you guys can see the marinas over there, the airport's over there. You can literally see planes taking off and everything. This is like the New York vibe right here. I love how the buildings are so close. But yo, I just want to show you guys that as motivation. A lot of you probably, let me focus. A lot of you probably aren't living where you want to live right now. That's completely fine, guys. When I first started out as a Forex trader, I was living at my dad's house, in my bedroom that I grew up in, and it wasn't the best. I always wanted to live on my own, wanted to do my own thing. Now I can do that, so I want you guys to use this as motivation, and it's super cool because once you move into a bigger house, it's just, you have so much more freedom. You can focus more. Like, my focus level has gone up by 10 times just by moving into a bigger apartment. So you guys might not be where you are right now, but focus on the long term. That's what I cannot stress enough, is so many people, they're focused on that short-term mindset. They're focused on like the now moment, the next week, the next month. And if they don't see the results that they want within the next day, the next week, the next month, whatever time frame it is, they give up and they say it doesn't work. So I got to where I am today by being consistent, and that's why so many people respect me. Consistency is how you gain respect from people. So stay consistent, guys. But I got an amazing topic we're gonna go over in just a second. If you guys could subscribe to the channel, that'd be dope. Put a like on this video, comment something that you like about it, any video ideas you have for me. But guys, I'll see you in a second. Let's go. Alright traders, welcome back to another video. I want to let you guys know I am back on Instagram. Also, the 7-day trial for my newest group chat is still open, and I want to let you guys know we have 50 members at this point in time. Once we reach 100 members, I am closing the doors forever. Only those 100 members are going to be in that group chat. So if you guys want to be a part of it, I highly suggest that you guys at least take part in the 7-day trial, see if you like it. And there's a bunch of free stuff that you guys are going to get, not just fire trade alerts. Like the past 10 trades I have called in that group chat have all been profitable. And let me actually take you into the group chat real quick so you guys can see them. Okay, perfect. So you guys can see right here. Let me move my face. Okay, so this was a trade that we went into last night. We actually we're going for shorts, and then my bias changed to longs, and then something that happened to where I didn't see the short opportunity as well. We went for longs, and also the stops got hit for longs, and then we went short. So this was my last and final bias that we went into. We did catch 200 pips on that trade. So for the first trade, I think we lost about 50 to 100 pips, and then we came back with 200 pips. So we did come out profitable last night for that trade. That was last night. Also, in this group chat, we have team calls every Tuesday and Thursday, so they're all recorded. So you guys can see, here's the recording for today's call. You guys can rewatch it. So this chat has been open for a very long time now. I think like 2 months now. So there's been team calls that have been recorded week after week after week that you guys can get into. So it's really just me breaking down the market. We have a new educational topic that we go over every single week. You guys can see this was a trade that we went in the other day too. I said I'm going short on Nas100. Quick profits already. Y'all enjoy that bag, 100 pips in profit. So I even said right here, the past 6 trades have all been profitable. This is huge, guys. Let's all keep up the good work. It's a 50-50 relationship here. I have to do all my part, as you guys have to do yours. If we work together, we can all make our dreams a reality. Let's stay focused, fam. Let me know if you guys need anything. So I'm very, very strategic about what I'm doing in this group chat. I'm trying to help everyone as much as I possibly can. So I'm not going to go into that anymore, but if you guys want to be a part of it, there is a link in the description where you guys can access it. So I want to go over my specific Nas100 strategy with you guys. I used to be trading US 30 a lot, but I honestly switched over. And one of the reasons as to why I switched over is because with Nas100, it's consistent of, this is the NASDAQ, so it's consistent of the top 100 companies in America. Versus US 30, the Dow Jones is consistent of the top 30 companies. So when you have 100 companies, it's like one company cannot be performing as well as the other, and it's not going to have a dramatic impact on the market. Versus with US 30, one company could have something go wrong, or like anything could happen and it will have a huge dramatic effect. So I've just realized that the NASDAQ is much more consistent with the way that it moves. My technical analysis is pretty much always right with it. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for in the times that I'm trading. So the times that I'm trading the NASDAQ, guys, I'm usually trading either the New York session in the mornings from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST, or I'm trading later on in the day between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. So I want you guys to write down those times so you know this is just where I've seen the most movement, where I've seen moves actually happening a lot of the time. And it's crazy because I actually caught this move right here. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on why I went into this trade right here for a long. You guys can see that we do have these 2 spinning tops back to back right here. And that was giving me confirmation like, yo, we're going to go up. We have been in an uptrend right here on the minute 15 chart for a while. Also, when it comes to trading the NASDAQ, this is something you guys also need to write down. I'm trading on lower time frames like the minute 15, the minute 30, and the hour 1. So hypothetically, let's say that it goes like 20 minutes ago, it hit 11 a.m. So at 11 a.m., I'm looking at the hour 1 time frame, the minute 30 time frame, and the minute 15 time frame. And I'm getting confirmation on all 3 of those time frames on what I'm going to do. Now, if it's 11:15, I'm just looking at the minute 15 time frame. If it's 11:30, I'm looking at the minute 15 time frame and the minute 30 time frame. So definitely take notes of that, guys. But a lot of the time I realize, as me being a trader, I've been looking at the markets for so goddamn long. Like, I would stare at the markets forever and ever and understand, like, okay, it's going to be a long, it's going to be a short. And I've realized that the technical aspect is huge. And what I mean by that is watching how these candles are opening, how they're closing. So we have a ticker right here that tells us exactly when a candle is going to open or close. Obviously, on the minute 15 time frame, a new candle opens up every 15 minutes. But you guys can see right here, this even was a pretty good setup right here. We had this doji close right here about 5 minutes ago, and that's giving us confirmation that the market is going to go up now. We also have our moving average right here, our 50-length moving average right here that the market hit. So it came and tapped this moving average. The candle itself closed bullish. We closed above that zone right here, and you can already see that we're starting to push up. So I would expect the market to probably go around this level right here. This is where I'm intending price to go to right there. And if it does, let's see how many pips we enter our market execution. Boom. So 374 pips could be on the line just if it goes and hits that move right there. It is Friday though, so I really am not trading too much. I caught this trade a little bit earlier today, and now I'm out of the markets. But I want you guys to realize that like it's super, super crucial to be looking at how the candles are opening and closing, getting confirmation that way. And one of the biggest things I've realized is people nowadays, traders, are always forcing the setup. They're not letting the setup come to them. And it's going to get to a point, guys, where you just need to relax. You need to understand, like, okay, the market, there's always going to be setups. I'm not going to force a trade and then lose money and then get in the revenge trade mentality where I'm like, okay, I just lost money. I need to make that money back right now. Also, a good book that I'd recommend that you guys get is called The Daily Trading Coach. I've been reading this fucking book lately, and it has helped me so much. So damn much. Just really getting my psychological mind right when it comes to trading. So one thing that you guys could do is like just literally just chill out. You can go right here, and you can look at 2 time frames at the same time. So we're going to have the minute 15 right here. Then let's look at the minute 30. Perfect. It's already on the minute 30 right there. And let's just watch how these candles are going to open and close. So you guys can see on the minute 30 we have 7 minutes left. On the minute 15 we have 7 minutes left. So what I would do, like, I'm not going to go into a trade halfway through the candle, because this candle has been open for like 8 minutes now. I'm going to wait 7 minutes, and I'm going to get confirmation on both these time frames to see what I'm going to do next. So if we see a bullish candle close on the minute 30 and a bullish candle close on the minute 15, perfect. Let's execute a good buy or a good long position, and let's go from there. But at the same time, it's like a lot of the time, just because a certain candle is opening a certain way doesn't mean that you're going to get confirmation that's going to do exactly what you think it's going to do. Like right here, I want you guys to notice how this candle right here that we circled on the minute 15 time frame, we had those 2 spinning tops. Look at how it closed right here on the minute 30. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Watch, you're going to see it be deleted right here off the minute 15. So pay attention, guys. Boom. Okay. Then we're going to recircle it right now. We have this shooting star candle right here. Did you guys see that? How it appeared right there? So that was confirmation. I'm like, shit, we have 2 spinning tops right here on the minute 15 and on the minute 30 chart. We have a shooting star candle giving us confirmation like the market is going to go up. And right after that, boom, it shot up. You can see just in that one candle, it went up 508 pips. So that's a pretty damn big move for a matter of 30 minutes being in the market right there. And then once I saw that, I was like, boom, I'm done. Like, I'm usually when I'm trading indices, I'm using like a 50-cent lot to a $1 lot size. So when I'm trading indices, like 100 pips, that's $500, $1,000. 200 pips, $1,000, $2,000. So literally, you could be making $2,500 to $5,000 just off one 30-minute candle. And I want you guys to realize, like, you might not have a lot of money in your trading account right now, but imagine when you have $100,000 in your trading account. And you can comfortably use a $1 lot size, a standard lot on indices, which is crazy. You're making fucking $1,000, $2,000 off 100, 200 pip move in the market. You're done. $2,000 a week is $8,000 a month. $8,000 a month is $100,000 a year. That's 6 figures. So I want you guys to realize that it's definitely doable to get to that point. Obviously, not everyone has $100,000 in their trading account, but you can work your way up there. You don't need $100,000 in your trading account to make 6 figures trading Forex or indices, whatever you want to say it is, or whatever you're trading. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm just keeping it super, super simple. I hope you guys got value from this video. And if you want like my on-demand help, my trades, I would definitely reconsider the 7-day trial. Like I said, it's free for 7 days. We do ask that you put a credit or debit card on file just so we can bill you after the 7 days. But hey, if you feel like this isn't for you and you're like, I don't like this group chat, I don't like the way you trade, cool, cancel your subscription. You're not going to be billed, and you can go on your way to becoming a trader on your own or using someone else as your mentor. But I appreciate every single one of you being a part of my videos, watching them, taking time. And let's connect, guys. I am on Instagram. Like I said, I'm back on there. So let's get it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, traders.